Artificial intelligence (AI) can be categorized into various types based on its capabilities, functions, and applications. Here are some common types of AI. 1. Narrow or weak AI. This type of AI is designed and trained for a specific task or a narrow set of tasks. Examples include virtual personal assistants like Siri or Alexa, as well as image and speech recognition systems. To general or strong AI. General AI refers to machines that have the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a broad range of tasks similar to human intelligence. Achieving true general AI is a long-term goal and hasn't been realized yet. 3. Machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves systems learning from data and improving their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Types of machine learning include supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Thank you.